how to enable developer options on any Android. So if you want to enable developer options on any Android, then it might be different in different Android phones. So you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with system. Under system here, you will have developer options. So if you don't find the developer options, then there is another way. But if you find the developer options, then you just need simply turn it on from here. You will have a toggle switch on the top right. Now, if you don't have the developer options under your system, you need to go back. Go with About Phone, which will be on the last of your settings. Under About Phone, you need to go with Software Information. Under Software Information, you will have build number, right? You need to search for the build number. Once you have the build number, you need to tap on the build number for 7 times. So tap 7 times. And in my case, I've already turned on my developer options, right? But if you've not turned on your developer options, then you need to tap it on 7 times. And after tapping 7 times, then your developer options will be turned on. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.